In this lesson, we are going to talk about footprinting through web services. Using web services, we can gather information about subdomains, location of the target, employees and their details, email addresses, financial services, and so on. Now, there are some tools which come in handy for these tasks, some of them being Netcraft, Sublister, Pentest tools to find the subdomains. Let's have a look on how these tools work. For Netcraft, you have to open the Netcraft website, scroll little down below to the point where you get this option to enter the target website and check what that site is running. So for this demonstration, we are going to use the McAfee website. I'm going to press enter. Now as you can see, we get a lot of details about this target website. As the NetBlock owner, the hosting company, the hosting country, the IPv4 addresses, the name server being here, the domain registrar, the name server organization, and so on. We even get the IP geolocation of the target website being shown over here. Scrolling down below, you can see the SSL and TLS information, even the certificate informations, and so on. Now moving on to the second tool, Sublister, which is used to find subdomains. We can get the tool from GitHub by simple cloning the repository. We'll simple type git clone and the link of the tool where it is hosted. So you'll get the message of cloning into Sublister. Now to get the usage of the tool, we are going to use the -h argument with the tool. Since this is a Python script, we are going to use the script with Python. As you can see, we get the result and also the options which we can use with this tool. To specify the domain, we are going to use the -d and give the domain. So let's try it. So we use the maxcoffee.com domain and we can see that we got a lot of subdomains through Sublister. That is how we use Sublister. Knowing about a lot of subdomains is a very crucial point in information gathering. So that's all for this video. In the next lesson, we are going to learn about email footprinting. Thanks for watching.